Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to fix my Instagram account not showing inserts. So first of all, open Instagram account. Click on profile icon. Look at the right corner, tap on three line. Settings and privacy. Scroll down. Messages and story replies. Message control. And just you need to turn on this option. Hopefully turn on this option, then solve this problem. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.